Well, hello guys, Bear here from Zuby Tech World, bringing you the 5.5 Super AMOLED display of the Samsung Galaxy J4. Well, what this particular handset is capable, what are the features, we'll find out in this unbox video. Well, this particular handset made me curious for its 5.5-inch display. Here is your warranty card over here, the lavender color, the beautiful lavender color is over here. Well guys, this handset is quite a nice one. Well, J4 is not your infinity display, it's just your normal display. The 71 percentage of screen to body ratio is there in this J4. Well, let's unbox it and I'll tell you what are the contents of this cell phone are. Well, let's see what's inside this box and I'll tell you everything about it. Okay, one part over here is tiered, automatically opens. You can see the warranty card over here. Well, let's see what's inside this box. A good looking blue box. It's a dual SIM J4. It's a 16 GB with front LED flash, 13 megapixel rear and 5 megapixel front camera. Super AMOLED 4G 1.4 GHz quad core processor, 5.5 inches, the main thing, 13 megapixels rear and 5 front, well, 16 GB of memory and 2 GB RAM. Well, these are the main features of this cell phone. Well, let's just open it and let's see. Well, there is a seal as well. Well, I have to get rid of this. Okay. Well guys, seal is broken and there is something written about telling it's a dual SIM. The IMEI numbers over here. Well, basically it's looking awesome, looking good. Well guys, here it is. Well, meanwhile, this handset is on the side. I'll tell you the other things what are inside this box. It's a quick start guide. If you want to read it, you can. You have your USB and you have your earbuds, the normal earbuds over here. Nothing special about it. And your battery, the removable battery is here. Well, the battery is basically your 3000 milliamp hour of battery is with your J4, and your travel charger is not a quick one, but it's your travel adapter. Well, how much time does it take to charge? I'll tell you in my next video when I'll review it. Well guys, these are some of the contents of this smartphone, Samsung Galaxy J4. Well, now let's just open it and let's see. It's a beautiful color, the lavender color. Also, the lavender color will be available on your Note 9 higher end smartphone. Okay, you have your SIM cards over here. Putting on the battery, I just want to turn on and show you guys the software. What kind of a software? Is it Nougat or is it Oreo? Let's see. Okay, I'll just turn on it and tell you if it has a juice or not. Samsung Knox is here. Well guys, this is it, Samsung. I'm excited. I hope you are as well. Nice looking handset, perfect. Well, the old school battery removable is there. Well, Samsung 3.5mm headphone jack also there. All started. Well guys, playing it around for quite a bit, I must tell you the display is quite amazing. The front wallpaper, the default wallpaper is looking amazing. Well, it tells you to swipe up right now. I'll just tell you it's already started loading the applications that are being updated right now. Well, I'll tell you about not the software, I'll tell you which software it's currently in use. Well, it's your Android version Oreo 8.0 and Samsung Experience 9. You have your 8.0 version, not your 8.1, 8.0. I'm sure next time 8.1 update will be available for this phone because it's a new phone, a tremendous phone. This is it, guys. See you on my next video. This is Zubair signing off from Zubi Tech World. See ya.